My name is Jilian Morton, and I am located in Wareham, Massachusetts, and the name of my business is the Law Offices of Bell and Morton. I discovered New Law from a Facebook post, like everyone else does, right? It was a picture of Allie, and it was talking about a new way to do law that I wanted to do. Pretty soon after that, I realized that's not going to be conducive to also having a family. I was working with another attorney who was doing estate planning. I really enjoyed it. I liked the people, and I thought that I was good chatting with them, and it was nice. I think I had just had my second child. They're 11 months apart. I was only getting a percentage of what I was, essentially bringing the firm, and I wanted to go on my own. So I went on my own, and pretty soon after that, I saw New Law. I want to say within a month or so, and it kind of was like a saving grace because boom, COVID hit.
Oh,
So
wow.
I needed to transition fast. Yeah. It was that I wanted to earn more, family, have more flexible hours, and to really understand that ownership is a way to go, is actually a way to freedom. And it may be hard in the beginning, but at this point, I can definitely see the fruits of my labor. I just jumped right in. I was on all the calls. I kind of got enamored with the mastermind of it all, hearing other attorneys from all over. The community was huge for me, especially during COVID and during that very isolating period, to have peers and to hear from coaches, to have real-time feedback on things that were happening in my business, real recaps of how did I do this right or how did I do that wrong. I went on a lot of the calls. I really liked hearing that you could earn the fees that you believe you deserve and that people would be happy to pay them. And I knew there was a pathway to get there. Where I live is not a super high net worth area. And I didn't necessarily believe, to be honest, in the beginning that I could be getting the average fee that I'm getting. My average fee right now is about $5,800. And that was not something that you would tell me, just 5 years ago that I could get. And then just kind of, it was a sink or swim kind of moment, I guess. I think during that period of time, maybe my average was a little bit closer to 3,800, 4,000. Once I got a full trust plan. Now 5,800, and that's just increasing. I'm doing a lot more volume now. Back then it was maybe 4 or 5 plans a month. And now we're close to 20 and more. I think a big part of the program is teaching you to listen to people and actually be a counselor at law. That's a piece of the puzzle here. You don't know it all. You need to hear their specific situation and to have compassion for what's important most to people. That's a big piece of the training, to give them the information, to let them know where they're at now, and to ask them what's the most important to them. And once you figure out what's most important to them, you can really identify how you can help them.